Hello and welcome back to another tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to share with you how to fix single click issue in your Windows 10 PC. So let's take a look how to fix that. Somehow or some cases you will notice that whenever I click this PC is going to very fastly open without double clicks. If I click this, it's going to open. So maybe somehow or some cases you might be don't like this. We know, but normally that whenever we want to open any folder, we normally double click on it, so it is going to open, or by single click to select that folder or file. So in this case I'm going to show you how you can fix this issue. It's really simple. Just open this PC, and in the left side corner you will find quick access. Simply right click over there, and then you will find here options. When options will appear here, you will find click item as follows. Single click, maybe somehow some cases it's appear here. So if you want to double click as normal, we know all the PCs like that. So if you want that, just simply choose this and then click on apply and click on OK. So now if I'm going to open this, I have to double click on it. Without double click, it's not going to open. So with single click, it's going to select that folder or file. So this is how you can easily fix your Windows 10 PC mouse issue single or double click. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.